Good morning, everybody. We're here to wash out another t-shirt. You got a beautiful Blankel heart for you. Did you call that Blankel? I don't know, it's dragon fruit, so it's not really quite Blankel. I haven't used that term in a while. But it is a nice blue, purple, pink, blue, purple dragon fruit. Supposed to be a heart to the inside.
Yeah, there's not much I can do with that one out here.
Yeah, that's alright. It's wound tight, baby.
Alright. Smells like the sunscreen in here.
Kinda does. That's tropical. Got it inside now with the warm water. We're going to start getting it unbanded. At least you can get some of that color rinse out of it. It's wound so tight. It's hard to get that one cleaned out. What do you think so far before you open it?
So far, so good.
She's very nervous. You can't tell by the silence, people.
I just hope it turned out okay.
It's gonna look good regardless. No matter what it is. The last one ended up making a perfect logo to you. Now I know how to do perfect ovals. That's a heart! There you go!
I guess so.
That's a heart! Yeah! Look at that! Come on now, people. Tell me that's not a heart. Let me know in the comments below whether that's a heart.
It gets better and better.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. Nice, beautiful heart pattern. She wasn't too impressed with it, but I think it looks really good. That's a heart if you ask me. Look at that. That's a perfect heart. Well, maybe not perfect, but pretty close. You know, hey, it's all about improvement, right? Getting better every time. So we will do another heart. It'll be a little while, don't worry. But when we do one in the future, it'll look even better. But in the meantime, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.